Lamsago haina hai takukte bukuk songno tini chang nailai government job ni notification obang ka belai ni nangkuk mani job notification nironi bagai belai ni kokte makam ge aboro tama tama post tong pusuk qualification nangnai tei koita vacancies tong tei age limit busuk abhairok full details Simon lainai abangka Teacher Recruitment Board Tripura TRBT Education School Department Government of Tripura ni faisangti notification lamwane abangka online application ma khainai online application khainani bagai date rojak tongo date tongo 4 তারিখ জানুয়ারি 2025 থেকে জানুয়ারি 10 তারিখ 2025 jora online apply makhainai ge aboni bagai tama tama post tong tei koita vacancies tong aboro full details simon na bagai naidi tongo full details rejak aro tongo serial number 1 2 duita category hai ka duita post tongnai post name unka undergraduate teacher for class 1 থেকে 5 class 1 থেকে 5 jorani teacher ni bagai undergraduate teacher tilangjaknai aboni bagai total vacancies tongnai aro 1099 ta মানে 1100 something ngai aro tongnai category wise UR ni bagai 571 ta vacancy SC ni bagai 187 ta vacancy ST rok ni bagai 341 ta vacancy aro ni bisingo tongnai PS tei ESM aborok ni bagai extra vacancies tongnai nge aro tongphio haini hai 2 number ro second number tongo graduate teacher abongkha class 6 থেকে 8 jorani bagai graduate teacher tilangjaknai abongkha UR ni bagai 243 ta tei tongo SC ni bagai SC ni bagai 80 ta ST rok ni bagai 145 ta tei aro tongo PH tei ESM ni bagai arona including nai totals tongnai 467 ta vacancies graduate teacher ni bagai aro duita milogai onekta vacancies tongo 1500 ta moton aboni bagai eligible candidate nangnai essential minimum qualification nangnai undergraduate teacher ni bagai undergraduate teacher ni bagai nangnai senior secondary at least 50% mark nangnai senior secondary mane 12 pass khaitanibo 50% mark na winai jara 12 pass khaijak aborok ni bagai eligible ngai undergraduate teacher aboni bagai jara diploma khaijak 2 বছর diploma in elementary education aborok ni diploma khaijak kangkene eligible ngai thangnai tei chini o jagao tongphinai senior secondary at least 45 mark najak amhaibo 45 mark ni bagai bo eligible ngai diploma 2 years elementary education khaijak kangke ngai thangnai regulation 2002 ni season aikeba 2004-5 ni season o jara elementary education ni diploma khaijak 2 years abhairong kangke 45 mark baino cholenai tei tongo secondary education o 50% mark for year bachelor of elementary education abhairok abhaike jadre por diploma course khaijak kangke cholenai ge abongkha undergraduate teacher ni bagui tei aro tongo graduate teacher ni bagui tongphinai undergraduate ni bisingo no tongphio te 5% relaxation chini ST SC PS category of higher ni bagui physical handicap ST te SC rok ni bagui 5% relaxation mane 45 mark gangkhana chini ST ni bagui eligible ungnai undergraduate ni bagui tei graduate ni bagui hingkhangke aro tongnai graduate and 2-year diploma in elementary education or 1-year diploma in education up to academic season 2024-2005 by whatever name no at least 50% mark graduate and postgraduate and bachelor in education B.Ed abaharo khajak gangkhe 50% mark by apply khai manai graduation o 50% mark nawi jara graduation khaijak abroni bagui eligible ungnai graduate teacher class 6 থেকে 8 jora phungnani bagui eligible ungnai ar bahaina chini SC ST rokni bagui SC ST rokni bagui tongnai 5% relaxation mane 45 mark gangkana 45 mark 45% gangkana apply khai manai chini ST rok jara graduate o 45 mark nawi graduation khaijak aborok ni bagui belai koktoma kaham nirok daiti haikaba jora ni bisingo apply khairokdi hingkhangkhe nirok job no nirok manai abongkha teacher graduate teacher tei undergraduate teacher nirok saimankhana o jagao jara TET 1 TET 2 abahai rok qualify khaijak hingkhana teibo nirokni bagui chances kwbang rojaknai hinui saklaijakha tei aro tongnai desirable qualification nangnai Bengali haikaba kokborok knowledge tongna nangnai hinui saklaijak pikha teibo aro jagao abono nirok full details naibani bagui ani o video ni description o rojak video PDF ni link or notification ni link abono nirok download khainai nai mannai aboni bagui age limit rojak tongo age limit ungnai up to 40 years hingkhangkhe chini SC ST rokni bagui 5 years relaxation manai hinui saklaijakha manakhe 45 years joratui 45 years joratui chini ST song apply khai manai tei tongo aro jagao pay scale mane monthly salary bwsuk mannai undergraduate teacher hingkhangkhe 16,050 taka khaiwi fix per month manai abahaikhe per level 75% basic pay khaiwi level 7 joratui mannai abongkha group C non gazetted o klainai non gazetted group C ni under o klainai tei nirok buchimankhana aro jagao tongo graduate teacher ni bagui hingkhangkhe 20,475 khaiwi fix per month manai tei 75% basic pay as per level 9 joratui mannai hinui saklaijakha abongkha group C non gazetted ni under o klainai nirok buchimankhana undergraduate o mannai 16,050 ni simi start tei graduate teacher o mannai 20,475 taka khaiwi abongkha online apply ma khainai online application khainani bagui aro details rojak tongphio www.trb.tripura.gov.in o website thangai niro apply makainai aboni bagui login makainai log on jagao apply online abo haike link khainai niro nironi date of birth email id o hairok fill up khainai niro registration number rok mannai abo haike niro makainai o jagao nironi full signature nangnai full signature scan khayo nangnai tei scan khayo nangnai passport size photography candidate ni passport size photo bongkha size 100k abo hai khaibai jpeg abo hai ni format bai niro scan makainai tei logebo full signature nironi full signature candidate ni rewa nangnai scan khayo nangnai aboni bagui 60 up to 60 kb abo hai wngna nangnai hinui saklaijak kha nirok online khaibani to busi mankhana nirok daiti jorani bisingo apply khaidi taboni simeno nirok preparation bo khaidi nirokni o job no manui manai nirok buji mankhana abono nirok official notification full details naibani bagui ani o description no link rojak official website ekeba notification ni link rojak tongnai ke abono nirok download khainai nirok jogajog khaidi ekeba preparation nadi tini ni video asangkha video no chajak hangkhe like khai radi share khaidi tei katal nai tongkha subscribe khainadi tei be omohai bwskang ni salo job ni notification manani bagui jotono hammai।